Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, Orca. 875 new stars today. Orca solves the coordination bottleneck when running multiple AI coding agents simultaneously. Instead of babysitting one agent at a time, you fan out a single prompt across parallel, isolated Git work trees, and compare the results to pick the best implementation. It lets you use your own API keys for Claude, Codex, or other coding agents, so you avoid per-seat SaaS markups and keep full control over your subscription costs. The combination of a WebGL accelerated terminal, an embedded Chromium inspector that feeds DOM snapshots directly into agent prompts, and a mobile companion for remote monitoring makes it a uniquely integrated environment for agent-driven development. Number 4, DeepTutor. 812 new stars today. DeepTutor is an open-source framework for building AI tutors that maintain a persistent, evolving model of each student's knowledge, enabling truly personalized instruction across many sessions. Unlike typical LLM chatbots that treat every interaction as a blank slate, DeepTutor tracks long-term mastery through a dynamic knowledge graph and retrieval augmented generation, so the tutor adapts its explanations and problem selection based on what the learner has already mastered or struggled with. The repository provides a complete Python/Next.js implementation and a detailed research paper, making it a practical starting point for developers who want to integrate adaptive tutoring into educational apps or study how lifelong student modeling works under the hood. Number 3, manim. 197 new stars today. This is the original animation engine behind 3 Blue 1 Brown, giving you programmatic control to build precise mathematical visuals instead of wrestling with GUI-based animation tools. Solves the problem of creating complex, data-driven, explanatory videos where every object's motion is defined by code, making revisions and parameterization trivial. Unlike the community fork, this version is tightly optimized for Grant Sanderson's specific production pipeline, offering a raw, powerful look at how high-quality math exposition is actually engineered. Number 2, skills. 485 new stars today. This repository gives you a reusable pattern for packaging domain knowledge, scripts, and tooling into self-contained skill folders that Claude loads dynamically to perform specialized tasks reliably. It addresses the real challenge of turning a general-purpose AI into a consistent, context-aware tool for enterprise workflows like document generation, data analysis, and brand-compliant content creation without endless prompt engineering. The included source-available skills for docx, PDF, PPTX, and XLSX manipulation show how to structure complex file operations using pure Python and open standards, providing a production-grade reference for building your own AI-powered capabilities. Number 1, NVM 22 new stars today. NVM solves the headache of juggling multiple Node.js versions across projects by letting you install and switch between any release with a single command without touching your system's global node installation. It eliminates version-related build failures and environment drift in development, CI/CD, and Docker setups, ensuring every project runs against the exact runtime it expects. Unlike heavier solutions, NVM is a single POSIX-compliant bash script with 0 dependencies, deep shell integration, via .nvm-rc, and broad compatibility across macOS, Linux, and WSL.